Hello, dear friends. My name is Dr. Pankaj Palekar. I am an insurance professional running insurance agency and now doing digital marketing too. There are a number of questions which people and my customers and my students are asking me regarding insurance. How the life insurance policies consist of different alteration. So let us move towards the presentation area. I have made one presentation for all of you where I have jotted down the different points and I will explain those points in detail to all of you. So here we go towards the presentation area. Let me take you towards my screen. Here it is. So let us start the discussion on alteration in life insurance policies. Dear friends, there are basically 6 to 7 kinds of different aspects under which we will talk today. How the alteration in life insurance policies are going to be get held, and they are permissible alteration by the law itself. So here it is. Uh, we'll see this one by one. First is the change in spelling of the name. As all of we know that many times there is a spelling mistakes which is going to be get seen on our policy document. Instead of the right spelling, the wrong spelling is going to be get printed on. So by making one simple application and showing the correct name, you can go into the insurance company and just submit the application along with the policy number. The insurance company can change the spelling of the name by looking after one proof. Either the proof may be of Aadhaar card or PAN card or your driving license, or it may be possible that they may ask you regarding your date of birth certificate upon which the spelling is there. So this is a simple thing that changing the spelling name is easy way. But sometimes some people are having two names, that is on official document some different name is there, and in business they are utilizing different name. These name also can be get changed, and for that purpose you have to give an affidavit, notarized affidavit, and those affidavit, if it is submitted on the bond paper, that the specified amount of bond paper has to be get submitted. That kind of affidavit is suffice the purpose to change the name. uh, Third thing is that if you are having the proof of gazette, the name has been changed in your gazette, then you can submit the copy of the gazette. By that your spelling or name change can be get notified and they will change the name. One more change regarding after marriage. uh, Many females are there, their original name on their TC is different, and if they are drawing the policy, they have to write one form, they have to fill one form which is provided by the insurance company. That is a name form before marriage and after marriage. That declaration may be allowed because the form has been given by the insurance company. And if the person is having the marriage certificate, then no matter, they will utilize the same, and that marriage certificate is solving the issue of change in spelling name. Now we'll come to the second point, change in address. This is also very simple one. Nowadays, if you are having your portfolio which has been made on the insurance company's portal, they are giving you the login ID and password. By that, you can change directly the address of that is a recent address where you are living right now. For example, if a person is living in Bandra, if he is now shifted to Nagpur, then he can insert the address of Nagpur in current address. But the permanent address, if you want to change, you have to make the application to the insurance company and provide one copy and proof of the address that presently you are living over here, and the permanent address has to be get changed. So the change in address can be held likewise. Or if you are not able to go on portal and do that, simply you have to write application, attach the address proof like your Aadhaar card or your electricity bill. Now here, if you are doing such things, the change in address can be processed by the insurance company and your address will be get changed. So this is also one kind of alteration which is going to be get held in uh, life insurance policies. Now third thing is that change in date of birth. This is the thing which requires evidential proof, that date of birth certificate or school certificate or passport, or presently government has made a change that pan card is also allowed. So if you want to change the date of birth, likewise there may be other things which is going to be get changed. Suppose if the date of birth shows the same age, then there is no problem. If there is a large difference of age, say for example 1 or 2 year, the rate of premium is also be get changed, and for that we have to go into point number 6, alteration in premium modes. So in this case of change in date of birth, the date of birth will be changed upon the application. Along with that, you have to attach the evidential proof of your correct date of birth, and you have to apply for within 3 to 4 days. The date of birth is going to be get changed, and accordingly the difference amount of premium has to be get paid by the party or the customer. So in this way here, change in date of birth can be get occurred. Now we'll go to point number 4, that is change in nomination with the procedure. When we draw the policies, that is life insurance policies, we are appointing some person as a nominee. In the case where the nominee is minor, one has to appoint an appointee for that minor. So the nomination maybe get changed after the majority of that person. It means the minor becomes major, then he has to put nominee, because the policy is going to be get automatically transferred on his name fully, and he has right to appoint uh, any person as his nominee. So this is the first change in nomination. Then when, suppose for example that minor has put forth nomination of his mother, then after marriage what will happen? After marriage he will have to put the name of his wife as the first person of nominee. Within 2 years this can be get done. So before marriage name of the mother was there as nominee. After marriage he has to be get changed by making an application and attaching the marriage certificate along with that, and he can appoint as a nominee to his wife. But this is not the case when after engagement, if someone wants to appoint his fiancé or her fiancé as an nominee. This is not possible because law prohibits that. One more change is going to be get happen in case of nomination, that reassignment and assignment processes are there. In case of reassignment, the banks who has as a creditor given the loan to the policy holder, after receiving the full payment of loan, they are reassigning the policy once again on the name of policy holder, and the policy holder can once again reappoint the same nominee which it was before the assignment. So these are the 4 cases under which the nomination procedure is there. There are a number of other things also. Nomination can be done in different ways. Now if you want to change such a nomination, you have to follow the procedure. That first of all you have to give the notice to the insurance company. Then the insurance company will provide you the forms. You have to fill up the forms, and along with that a specified amount of fees has to be get paid. After paying that fees, the nomination process will be started after submission of that receipt and all the forms particularly filled and signed by the authority, and signed by the witness, and signed by the policy holder. So when you submit it, the nomination process will be started, and within 3 to 4 days the nomination change letter will be received by you from the insurance company. Now we'll go forward and see this change according to assignment, that is alteration in the process of assignment in the life insurance policy. So this alteration during assignment can be held for two different criterias. One criteria is assignment at the time of making the assignment. For example, if a person, that is the policy holder, if takes loan from any bank and against which he, for the purpose of security, he is keeping his policy bond with the insurance company, then bank says that you have to first of all assign this policy on our name, then we will issue the loan against this policy. So for that purpose, there is one process, the same process which we have followed in the case of nomination procedure. You have to first of all give the notice to the insurance company, that is life insurance company, that you want to assign this policy on the name of XYZ bank, and uh, they will provide you the forms for that. You have to fill up the form, and you have to make the endorsement on the policy bond, and you have to attach the forms which has been provided by the insurance company by filling it up completely, along with one witness who has to sign that assignment document. And from the side of the bank also, they have to sign, the signatories must have to sign upon that along with one witness. Then the procedure of assignment is going to be get completed within 3 to 4 days, and both of the policyholder as well as bank will receive one letter of assignment, and the policyholder has to submit that letter along with the uh, policy bond to the bank. Then only the bank will give the loan to that person. Now during this process, what is going to get happen? Insurance company is making change according to the process of assignment, that the claims which is present in that policy, that is now not payable to the policyholder until and unless a reassignment is going to be get held. So here the insurance company is making the notification in their register, and they are making the change that right now from this date and this time the policy has been assigned to this bank, and the rights and liabilities of the policyholder are now being transferred on the name of the bank. So here, if any claim comes, the bank will be the first payee, and after paying the complete amount to the bank, then only the remaining amount is going to be get given to the policyholder, if any. So now this is the first thing, which is the process of assignment. In the vice versa, the reassignment process is there. Now in case of reassignment, the bank is issuing the no dues certificate on the name of the policyholder, that he has paid all the dues along with the interest, and the bank has cleared all the account of this document, and resubmitting this document to the insurance company through the policyholder for the reassignment process. They have to fill up one form for reassignment on the name of the policyholder, that is existing policyholder, and that document has to be get submitted in the insurance company. After submission of that document, the insurance company opens the register where they have made the entries regarding the assignment. They reassign the policy on the policyholder's name. They make the notification in their register wherever the note of assignment has been taken. They will process the reassignment, and once again the reassignment process is going to be get held. In that case, change according to reassignment on the policyholder's name is effected. So this is the change according to assignment and reassignment. Now we will go to the alteration in premium modes. This is happening many times with my policyholder. Many of times I have to write the application and provide the solution regarding change in premium. So whenever any person who wants to change his premium from there are 5 to 6 ways of changing the premium, or modes of changing of the premium. Here we will see, for example, yearly to half yearly, yearly to quarterly, yearly to monthly, which may charge 5% extra premium for direct payment. There is one more mode, that is yearly to SSS, that is salary saving scheme, and there is one other mode, yearly to ECS. So these are the different kinds It is also vice versa, ECS to yearly, SSS to yearly, half yearly, quarterly, monthly to quarterly, half yearly, yearly, or quarterly to half yearly, yearly. Likewise, you can change the mode according to your will and wish. But this alteration in premium mode is changing the premium as well. If suppose the policy is of yearly mode, and if you are going to convert it at monthly mode or SSS mode, in yearly there is certain less premium because insurance company has to do one transaction only yearly, whereas in case of SSS or monthly, they have to make 12 transactions in a year. So for that purpose, the charges may be added or the premium may be get enhanced. So these are the things which are possible by making one application, and within 1 to 2 days the premium mode can be get changed and it will be effected, and a policy holder can be able to make the payment through that mode. So alteration in premium modes. Now, the last one is the biggest one, the alteration in case of revival of the lapsed policy. In this case, there may have to be get seen many alteration. It may be concerned with the risk also. So here, there are two kinds of claims. That is, one is early claim within 3 years of the drawing of the policy, or revival of the policy. So here, the previous risk cover is going to be get terminated, and after revival the new risk cover is started, as like we are drawing a new insurance policy, and by the way the revival of the policy, lapse policy, starts new risk cover from that day. Now during this, the insurance companies are providing us the health declaration form, in which we have to mention our how our health is. So the risk starts as if new policy has been drawn after filling of that health declaration form. And sometimes insurance company may also ask you to provide the medical. So in that medical they may ask for a simple medical process, for which their insurance companies medical officers or TPAs, that is third party officers, medical officers have been appointed. From them they have to make the medical, and uh, the policy will be get revived again. In certain cases, if the person is found during the lapsation of the policy with operation or any diseases or any defect in health, then the insurance company may ask for bringing the blood reports, bringing the ECG reports, bringing chest x-ray or urine reports, anything which is related with the disease or defect or operation, and then they will start the risk. Now during this process, there may be alteration in premium as well. So for example, if suppose a person after lapse of policy is found with an diabetes, uh, he may be charged an extra premium. So along with that extra premium, so the regular premium plus extra premium, the total of both is going to be get made, and a new premium is fixed for covering his risk during the revival of the lapse policy. So in this way, there are number of cases where such kind of revival are coming due to accident. Operations are going to be get held, and there may be a defect in the health, and likewise many different aspects which are coming. Those all aspects are covered under alteration in case of revival of the lapse policy. So here also certain alterations can be made in the premium or in the risk. Those alterations are cope up with these kinds of alterations in the policies. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for next coming videos. You can also visit me at pankajpalekar.com blogs. Thank you very much.